So this is how it comes, and to demonstrate it, we're going to be, using it to install some of these cabinets here. Obviously Rockseed laser level. When you open the box, this is what it looks like. Now I've had it out already. I just stuck it back in here. And it comes with your little carrying pouch, which has a loop on the back. And then you open up with that, it's got your book in there, which you're really not going to use. The only thing it really tells you is like the stationary mode here. So this is what it looks like. To flip it on and off now. So first, it's got a threaded hole there, so like a 1/4 inch hole, so you can put it on the tripod. This is the tripod I'm going to use. And you can look it up on Amazon. It's the Gikodo or whatever that is. And it's got some different attachments here. You can take this off and this will thread on there instead of having that. So to turn it on, I'll put this on in just a second. So you flip this on, or you hold this in to cut it on and put it in stationary mode, and then you can level it yourself to keep it stationary. But you pull this off first. It comes with 2 batteries, like some Chinese batteries. But anyway, you pop that off and you put the 2 batteries, 2 AA batteries in, and you put it on. And then here we go. Let me mount it on this tripod real quick, and then we'll show you how it works. I have it mounted here on this tripod. Now this will tilt to the left and right. So really I need it to be like this so I can move it up and down. Left and right, self-leveling. It says within 4 degrees, but we're gonna test that out with a level and see how level it is anyway. So anyway, you flip this on. And as you can see here, it'll blink if you don't have it within fairly level. It was $28 and I had some cash back on a card, so I got it for like $3 because I used some cash back on it. But for $28, it ain't bad, if you're not gonna use one all the time. But some people said it wasn't very accurate as far as the level goes, which I mean, heck, man, you can put it in stationary mode. And like I said, use this to adjust it. You can set your level on here and get it pretty level, and then, put it on the wall and adjust it just a little bit with a level to get your line perfectly level in stationary mode. And then wherever your laser is at, it's projected its level. So also, so you can see here how it projects around. And hold on, you can see now that I have that light off. See, it comes down the side, and that's why I need it, because I'm gonna actually move this out the way and put it over there to mark me a good line all the way around for these cabinets. Let's get this level out. This is the stand I usually put my phone on, so you're gonna have to bear with me. We're gonna hold this level up here and see how level it is. I don't know if I'll be able to get it on camera and hold it at the same time, but we're gonna see. Well, just let me check it real quick and I'll let you know how level it is. So it's dead level. I just took my level, held up there, and moved it up until the line just hit my level all the way across, and it's dead level. It says within 4 degrees, and you can't tell, using a 4-foot level here, it's dead in the middle of the bubbles. I wish I could show it on camera, but I don't have nothing to hold my phone. So anyway, so I'll show you the mode real quick. You see when you get a little off, it starts blinking red. But anyway, to use stationary mode, you cut it off, hold this down, and it comes on, and you can see you can tilt it and it doesn't move. And you can use the level to do it like that, or to keep whatever degree you want it, you can set it to keep it that way. And there you go. So anyway, this works really well. Turn it off, just hold it back in there, and it cuts it back off. So anyway, this is a pretty jam up. I mean, for 28 bucks, it's a pretty jam up little laser level here. That is the Rockseed self-leveling laser level.